Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm really excited about this video because this is absolutely one of my favorite pieces that I own from Louis Vuitton. This is a special piece to me that my husband gifted to me last year for my birthday, and I'm really excited to do a review on it for you guys with a little bonus kind of extra way to use this particular piece. But before we get into it, please consider subscribing to my channel. All you have to do is click that red button that's down below, and that's it. Super easy. And if you also liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. All right, let's jump right into it. So today I have a review for you on the Emilie wallet. This is the special edition one. So they have this particular one, which is like with the pink, and then they also have, I think, a red version as well, and then they also have the standard normal Emilie wallet, which just has like a normal circle button here instead of like the flower, and it doesn't come with this, and I don't think the inside is colored either. It also comes in all the different canvases, and I also believe it comes in the empreinte leather as well. So there's quite a few options when it comes to this particular wallet. This one here retails now in Australian dollars for $705, and I think the normal one, like I said, without the little extra flowers, that one retails for 615 Australian dollars. So there's a little bit of a price difference between like getting just the standard wallet and then getting the one with the bloom on it, but I just think it's so adorable and so cute, and I love this wallet so much, and I've been using this wallet now for almost a year. So I got it last year for my birthday from my husband, like I said, and my birthday's in February, so we're coming up to almost a full year of use. I've been using it every single day since I opened it. I haven't changed from it, not once. I am loving this wallet so much. So I will give you a quick overview of the wallet. So as I said, this is a monogram canvas. It's a solid canvas. It has like a rose ballerine little flower button there, and then it's also got the little chain here, which comes in the rose ballerine color on that side, and then the fuchsia color on that side. Or not fuchsia, I shouldn't call that fuchsia, that's more of a hot pink. It's very different to the fuchsia color. Then the inside I think is just known as hot pink. And you've got Louis Vuitton Paris. This particular item was made in Spain. And then we've got 4 card slot holders there, and then you open up into a large pocket, which is typically where I have cash. And then there's another little pocket here and another little pocket there. And then you've got your zipper compartment, which has the nice like waterproof lining, like that lining that's wipeable. And it's really cute on the inside because if you can see, like it goes from pink into monogram, which I just think looks really cute. So that's an overview of the wallet. I really, really love this wallet, you guys. And like I said, keep watching because I utilize this for more than just a wallet. So I'll do my wallet review and then I'll get into another way that I use this wallet. I have had no issues with the glazing, no issues with the wallet itself. The zipper is fine. Everything on this wallet has just worn beautifully. I have a few minor like scratches on the little Louis Vuitton button here, but to be honest, I actually kind of expected that that would be a lot worse, but it's really not. It got 4 card slots here, sorry, which is good for me. I don't really need a whole lot more than that, but if you were somebody that carries more cards, then this wallet may limit you in terms of card space. That would be probably the only negative that I would have to say about the wallet, is just the card space. But I mean, I have my driver's license, 2 bank cards, our healthcare card here. That's really all my necessities that I need, you know, to use the most. So I usually just keep cards in this little back pocket here. And I have thought to myself, because I'm kind of accumulating a few cards in there, and I've kind of thought to myself, you know what, maybe what I can do is get just a card holder, and then I can either just place that on the inside in here with the wallet, because there's plenty of room in there, it's very spacious. Or I could just keep the little card holder in my handbag, and then that way I have my cards all in one spot. But at the moment I've only got like 3 extra cards really, and like a couple loyalty cards in there. So they do me just fine in the back. And then this larger pocket here, I usually put cash in there, or maybe receipts or whatever I'm just kind of throwing into my wallet. That's the largest compartment. Then it also has that other little pocket on this side, and that pocket is usually where I personally keep receipts of items I want to make sure I won't need to exchange or return. And then the zipper, I know a lot of people don't put coins in their zipper parts of their wallets, like of luxury wallets, because they don't want to dirty or damage the wallet. But because this is a wipeable inside lining, I haven't really babied it at all. I don't usually have too many coins on me, but if I do have some coins, like I've got a handful in there right now, I don't shy away from putting them in there, and I've never had any issues with the wallet. There's not a whole lot negative that I have to say about this wallet. I really love it. The other great thing about the wallet is that it's so compact, like it's so thin. Like it doesn't take up any room in your bag. I just uploaded a video of what's in my bag with my pochette Matisse. I'll link that down below if you're interested in watching that. But I show that how beautifully and smoothly and easily this fits into that bag. With plenty of room around, and I don't have to maneuver things to like get the wallet into the bag or anything like that. Even though it's a full-size wallet, because I feel like it stays quite thin, it's just easy to get in and out of your bag. And I mean, in terms of like wear and tear on the wallet, like I said, I've only noticed that small little scratching on the button here. Other than that, I honestly have no other wear and tear to report. The glazing is perfect. I've had no issues with it. I haven't had any issues with this little like keychain that's attached. I haven't had any issues with cracking or like the opening part here. The zipper's been fine. So all in all, I really recommend this wallet. If you are in the market for a full-length wallet, not only does it function very well and is it super easy to use, and it fits into majority of handbags, providing they can fit a full-length wallet in them. It's also really cute. I mean, this color combination is stinking cute, and it goes so well with so many of their other bags and their interior linings that I just love this wallet. And the fact that I think it was a surprise, I didn't know it was coming, also just makes it all that more special, because I didn't realize I really wanted it until I had it, and now I can't go to any other wallet at the moment. But I also promised you guys that I was going to tell you another way that I use this wallet, and I love that I have two ways to use this wallet that function very well, because I just feel like if it's got more than one function and it's versatile, then it's kind of makes up for the larger price tag, if that makes sense. I might be pushing it here, but at least you get two functions out of it, so it kind of makes it not seem so bad with the fact that it is, you know, an expensive item. So what I do for the second way that I use this wallet is I typically use it as a clutch. Now, I was really surprised one day. I had my hands full, and I think I just had my phone in my hands, and I had to quickly throw my phone somewhere, and I thought, oh, let's see if it'll fit in my wallet really quickly. And just like that, like, I mean, look how perfect easily that fit in there, with plenty of, well, not plenty of room, but still room and like around the wallet to move. And it closes so easily, no issues at all. And I thought, oh my gosh, that is so handy. I can actually put my phone inside of my wallet, turning it into a clutch. Great, right? And then I thought, let's take it one step further. So the next time I was like, I need to go out, I'm gonna take my phone, my wallet, and I need a key. I need my key. So I put my car key in there too, and closed it on up, and thought, no way, I cannot believe it. That fits in there too. No bulging, no nothing. It's not pulling, it closed perfectly fine. There's no issues with the closure. And I thought, really, what else do you need when you go out? Like, I mean, maybe some lip gloss, a phone, your ID, money, card, and that's really like, that's the bare necessities. That's like the essentials. That's what you need when you go out. And then I thought, hey, maybe a girl just needs a little bit of gloss too. So I went ahead and thought, I'm just gonna see if I can stick a small thin lip gloss in there too without overdoing it. I didn't want to like pull my wallet or damage it, but the fact that that all fits in there, and it is quite full. So it is full, that you can see there, but it's not pulling on it. It's not going to add any cracking or creasing or anything like that. I think everything's very secure in there, and I still have room to get my phone out, get my keys out, get to money. My cards are all right here, so I don't need to, typically I pay with my card like 90% of the time. So I can just grab my cards here, And voila, like so easy. Now it went from being just a simple wallet to being a clutch as well. And I just thought that was so cute and so practical and just awesome, because now I have 2 uses for the wallet. And I mean, look at it. I mean, how cute. That's a cute clutch. So there you have it, you guys. I hope that you liked my little twist on this way to use the Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet. And I hope that my review was helpful. I know I didn't have a whole lot to really say about it, but it is a great wallet. If you're in the market for a full-length wallet, like I said, I definitely recommend this one. I recommend it because it can be used in 2 ways. It's versatile and it's cute and practical, and then it just slims on right back down to being like super thin and easy to place in your bag, to hold. It's comfortable to hold, and I just love it. So yes. Alright guys, and that's it for this video. I had a great time chatting to you guys about my Louis Vuitton Emilie wallet. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Ring the bell if you want to be notified of when I upload videos. I upload weekly. Also give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And have a great day. Make it count, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!